In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the emoji filter on TikTok. So once you're on TikTok, what you need to do is go to the Discover page by tapping on the Discover option there at the bottom bar. Then you'll be on the Discover page, then you want to tap on the search bar and you just want to type in emoji. Tap on search, and as you can see it says effects there and then emoji. If you go ahead and tap on that, it will take you to the filters page and you can go ahead and add it to your favorite from here, so you can quickly get it later on, or you can try it now by tapping that little camera icon at the bottom. So let's do that. So basically what you can see is the little emojis there at the top, and all you need to do is make the same face as the emoji while you record your video, and then once you've recorded your video you can go ahead and upload it to your TikTok profile. So that is how you get the emoji filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.